Things you should be doing today to protect your eye health. Start taking eye health seriously by incorporating these 10 habits into your daily life to safeguard your vision. Vision loss greatly disrupts daily life and is more common than many realize, with millions at risk in the world alone. Wear sunglasses to protect against UV rays and lower the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and eye cancer. Implement the 20-20-20 rule during prolonged screen or reading times to prevent eye strain and maintain clear vision. Exercise regularly to promote healthy blood vessels, decreasing the risk of glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. Avoid smoking to reduce the risk of cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and potentially other eye diseases. Eat a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients to support eye health and protect against tissue damage and inflammation. Practice good hygiene like washing hands and properly removing makeup to prevent infections and maintain eye health. Take screen breaks. Prolonged screen time can cause dry eyes, pain in the neck and shoulders, blurred vision, headaches and digital eye strain, or computer vision syndrome. Take book breaks too. Screen time isn't the only way to strain your eyes. When you read a book, you probably hold it up close for long periods too. Both activities can lead to nearsightedness or myopia. Get outside. Children and adults need to get outside often, even if they get their recommended exercise indoors. Children who spend time outdoors have a lower risk of developing nearsightedness in adolescence and as adults. To get the right nutrients for your eyes, eat balanced meals by including some of these foods in your regular diet, as recommended by the AAO. Vitamin A and beta-carotene, apricots, carrots, cantaloupe, sweet potatoes, red pepper, ricotta cheese, mango. Vitamin C, grapefruit, oranges, lemons, tangerines, peaches, strawberries, tomatoes, red bell pepper. Vitamin E, avocados, almonds, peanut butter, wheat germ, sunflower seeds. Omega-3, halibut, sardines, salmon, tuna, trout. Lutein and zeaxanthin, collards, broccoli, eggs, peas, kale, spinach, romaine lettuce, turnip greens. Zinc, lima beans, kidney beans, black-eyed peas, lean red meats, oysters, fortified cereals, and poultry. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Habitually rubbing your eyes could cause eye damage or infections. Dry eyes and eye strain can make you want to rub your eyes, and some may rub them too much or too hard. This can lead to issues such as reduced or blurry vision, headaches. Another reason to avoid eye rubbing is that bacteria or viruses on your fingers or hands could lead to conjunctivitis inflammation, eye and light sensitivity, commonly called pink eye. Instead of rubbing your eyes, use eye drops or saline to clean your eyes and keep them moist. Resist the urge and find something else to keep your hands busy until you undo the habit. In conclusion, safeguarding your eye health is paramount in today's digital age. While reducing screen time is crucial, it's also essential to recognize that activities like reading can strain your eyes similarly. Embracing practices such as the 20-20-20 rule, whether for screens or books, can significantly alleviate this strain and reduce the risk of nearsightedness. By taking proactive steps like setting reminders for breaks, you can prioritize your eye health and ensure long-term well-being in an increasingly screen-centric world.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.